Another beautiful day here in South Louisiana. Today, I have a couple places that we need to go, so I'm not going to be able to work on the car too long. But what I am going to do is sit down and start taking seam sealer off. So this video won't end today, but again, it's a continuation of getting ready to put the panels back in. So stick around, and who else knows what else is going to be on this video when I get it done. So thanks for watching, and here we go. So to start off today, I'm just going to get all of this beautiful seam sealer off, and I'm planning to use a scraper, a screwdriver, and a putty knife, and get it off of there and right around here so I can clean it up to weld right in here. And then if I got time before I have to go get ready for this graduation party, I think I'm gonna try and pull this with my puller bar and then hammer and dolly it to try and get it a little bit straighter, because it's a little cattywampus. Not too bad, which is why I bought it. It seems to be sort of in pretty much the right place. And then this lip has to come out. This lip right here has to come out some more, so I'll be working on that. But it's good to be this far into it and know that I'm in the finishing stages. So I'm not gonna film me scraping putty. If in fact I get to moving a little metal, I'll set the tripod up and try and show some of that. Or if I get done with all this, I'll film a little bit of it all cleaned up. So thanks for watching. There you go. I seem to have gotten most of the seam sealer off everywhere that I'm going to need to weld. Unfortunately, it's time for me to go get ready to go to a graduation party. So I'm going to go do that, but it looks like I got it all cleaned out for the most part. So hopefully tomorrow I can get back out here first thing in the morning and get this thing moved around. Thanks for watching. I've been doing a lot lately. We've had issues with the family and everything, so today I'm going to get back on the car, try and get as much done as I can, and we'll see where we end up today. I know that the last video I made that I didn't put out yet, so it'll be the beginning of this one, was just scraping off the seam sealer so that I could get a good weld, or I could pull on the metal. So we'll see what we can get done today. Well, I was recording and I don't know exactly what got taped or not. I had the camera over here in the sun and it evidently overheated, so I went over to look and see what I had taped, and it said danger, overheat, iPhone must cool down before it can be used. So anyways, hopefully you got most of that. But what I'm trying to do is make sure get the panels fit so that I see how much more I got to move the metals around. What I'm working on right now is this little, I'm trying not to cut my finger off, this little metal tab here, because this panel fits down in between these two panels. So I'm trying to cut out this little tab, and then I'll be able to fit the panel. So here we go again. See how this puppy fits. I think this has got to come up. This. Okay. Son of a bitch, that's hot. We're gonna let that cool down a second. Try this again. Pegging the hole. the sports. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bracket right here. It's got to come this way, and this floor's got to come up about another. The crease, the corner should be right there. So this all got pushed down in the collision. Since I've been working on this, I just discovered a new wrinkle. This side, bottom of the frame rail, is at like 14 and a half, maybe 15. Come over to this side, and it's at 16. So I got frame bendage. It isn't just the sheet metal. So now I gotta figure out what to do. I just don't know. It just doesn't end. I'll figure it out. All right, there is the gap that I have left at the bottom of the panel. So I'm gonna finish working on that today. If I get it decent, I will show you again. But we're getting there. It's just gonna be slow and a learning process for me. At some point I'm gonna stop and go get some welding gas because I'm out, and we'll go from there. Well, with a little bit of persuasive hammering, I've closed the gap up. I'm gonna do a little bit more shaping, but it's getting to be close to where it needs to be, which is incredible considering where I started. So I'll just continue on with that, and we'll go from there. You can still see there's a gap, but hopefully I can get it enough to where I can spot weld it in and then seam seal it. And it'll never be a show winner, but it'll be a good transportation vehicle for me to get back and forth to work. So that's always been the goal. So let's see what happens. There's the back panel in. There's the latch. I gotta find where I put the other latch so I can see how close I am to having it actually fit right there. So as you can see, I'm getting closer for sure. So we'll just keep it up. That's all you can do, is just keep plugging. Well, I think I've got it far enough along where I can start fitting the parts. I'm gonna actually go back in and watch my video of me taking it apart so I can see how everything fits together, because the interaction between this back panel and the side panels, it's like a jigsaw puzzle that I don't want to get wrong. You know, I showed you that it's getting close to where it needs to be with the latch, which is the important thing. You know, I'd like to latch the trunk. So I'm gonna call it quits for right now, today, right here, but I'm gonna go do a little investigation and then we'll continue on. But again, thanks for everybody watching. I appreciate it, and hopefully everybody had a great weekend, and hopefully it won't be another week until I get another video out, but you know, work does come first. So again, thanks everybody, have a great day, and I will see you later.